AZAM is back.
So there is a low supply of cars across the country. Apparently, Tom has found, though, his perfect vehicle with the Mercedes. Looking good.
Big auction this weekend, Tom.
Yep. Yeah, Troy, I'm trying to talk the bosses into making this my new news car, because I think I can get to anything I need to pretty quick in this baby. But yeah, 2004. And Nick Carr, the president of Sierra Auction, was saying it'd probably go for maybe about $8 grand, maybe a little less, maybe a little bit more. Who knows? But Nick might know because he's been doing this for a while. Nick, how are you, man? Good to see you.
Tom. Pleasure to see you.
Yeah,
Thanks.
I love coming out to this lot because it always rotates. Where do you guys get all your cars?
So we do a lot of charity vehicles. If you donate your car to Cars for Kids or Goodwill, they send their cars to us to sell at public auction for them. We also do a lot of police seized vehicles. And this weekend we have 250 vehicles going on Saturday.
That's fantastic. Well, let's start right here with the Sun City Classic.
Yes, sir.
Hey, you can buy this on Saturday, drive up to Flagstaff on Sunday.
Yes, sir. Yes, you could.
It's a floater.
It is a beautiful car.
What's something like that going to go for? What do you think?
Something like this, I'm going to say, is probably going to go for about $3,000 this weekend.
Is that
Yeah, and it's a very clean, very well-kept car that was actually a police-seized vehicle.
Now, that's one thing we want to talk about. Now, look at this beautiful Cheyenne. This is awesome. Now, what do you think something like this goes for?
So this thing should go for about $6,000 this weekend.
How does it work for folks at home if they want to get in on your auction? And again, a lot of these are seized by local law enforcement agencies.
Correct.
How can we get in on it? And if I wanted to make some bids on some of these
So what you want to do is you want to go to SierraAuction.com. All our auctions are online only. So we have a live auctioneer that's calling during the auction. You go to SierraAuction.com, register with your credit card and your name, your address. We ask that on Friday we have preview from 10 to 4. You just want to come out and preview all the cars, go through them, and make sure you know what you're buying.
Yeah, kick the tires, start the engines. How about this, a Rolls Royce? Are you kidding me, Nick?
Rolls Royce. That was donated to a charity.
Now, this one I'd like. I wouldn't mind a new F-150. I can't complain about that, but I'm not getting a red one. I'll tell you that right now, Nick. Now, how about this beauty here as well,
This
the
is
Mercedes?
a little Mercedes SL 500 convertible, another charity vehicle that'll be going this weekend. I'm going to guess that one, Tom's going to be about $12,500.
What about the F-150 when I go camping? What's that going to cost me?
F-150, you're probably looking, I'm going to say about $4 grand.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm getting online. That looks fantastic. Hey, how do I know that some of these vehicles weren't in a flood in Houston?
So you're going to want to, when you come up for preview, or you're going to want to look at get the VIN number and run a Carfax on the vehicles and just make sure that, that'll tell you all the accident history, the maintenance on the cars.
You're having the bidders do that so you don't have to do the homework.
Yes.
And it's up to them, so they can't come back to you and say,
right.
Hey.
Yeah, it's a public auction. We want you to make your own decision and decide what you're willing to pay for a vehicle.
There's been a global chip shortage, and so new cars are not being built. Used car prices have gone up because of that, because no one's bringing in their cars recently.
Right.
Has that affected you in terms of getting these vehicles? And are the prices here going up?
So, yeah, so it has not affected us as far as the quantity of cars we're getting, but prices have definitely gone up. We've seen over the past 12 months a 30% increase in prices.
How about that?
Yeah, so it's a hot market right now.
Temporary thing, though, once they get the chips going and new cars start selling again.
Yes.
Because you were telling me municipalities are waiting for new vehicles, aren't they?
Yeah, so we have a lot of contracts with the municipalities to sell their vehicles at public auction, and we're going to start seeing a slowdown of those vehicles just because they're waiting for their new vehicles to be delivered.
Yeah, well, thanks for having us, Nick. Always a pleasure to hang out with you guys
Tom.
at Sierra Auctions. Tell everybody one more time, if they want to get online and get in on the auction, pick up an F-150 or that Sun City car to take to Flagstaff.
There you go. So it's SierraAuction.com. Preview is on Friday 10 to 4, and the live auction starts Saturday at 8 a.m.
Yeah, let's explain to everybody, and let's get you into the sun so the sun's on your face. Mike's shooting the sun. Making Mike shoot into the sun this morning. I feel bad about that. As a photographer, I know better. But anyways, how does it work for you guys? You actually don't own these cars. Cities have contracts with you.
Correct.
And you're holding them, selling them. You're taking your price, but there's also a price that goes to them.
Right, yeah. So let's say a vehicle sells for $10,000. That money actually goes back to the city or to the charity. Plus, sometimes there's money that we also, we collect a buyer's premium. Part of that goes to the city as well.
Oh, so they get a piece of your chunk too.
Right. Yep.
Well, the city's always grabbing stuff. Yeah. It's a good thing though. I mean, they got to get rid of you guys. There are dump trucks back there, and they had a fire truck last time sold for about 10 grand. So they're selling all kinds of stuff. And if we leave our live truck here, Nick will sell that too.
Yes, sir.
Nick, always a pleasure to hang out with you guys. Yeah,
hey, is that Mom in the school pickup line? Yeah, that's her over there in the live truck. No, wait, it's the fire truck.
Yeah. There's some great prices,
I know, right on
Tom.
this Lexus.
I can't believe that. A $4,000 F-150
Yeah,
in
great
this
price.
climate? It's crazy.
But the deal is you got to cut a check. It's cash. We were just talking about this, right?
Yeah,
I mean, you have to have the money to purchase the car when you go and you're, choose to, $4,000. I'll take that car.
Yeah, I can't.